Well, here we are, Dagger Outdoors today. We're in the house. We finished our deer hunt, got a decent whitetail buck. Now we're going to turn the deer into some cracked pepper and garlic summer sausage. We got to get some sausage ready and get ready for the ice fishing season that's going to start tomorrow. So yeah, join along and I'll show you my process on how I make summer sausage. So stay tuned. We'll see what we can do. Peace. Well, first things first, I got the cure. I always add water to the cure. I just find that it gets more even throughout the meat. I have some ice water in the freezer ready for the meat. I've mixed out how much spice I need for approximately 22 pounds total. Half and half pork, half deer. Using 80-20 pork that I got from Riverview Sausage in Craven. Shout out to them. They processed our deer and they do a great job, and on top of it, they're great people. So if you ever need anything, go to Riverview Sausage out by Craven. Yeah, so we'll get the meat in here. We'll start mixing everything up. First we got the pork. And I got the dogs. Puppers like the smell of all this meat. All this stuff's been pre-weighed already. Here's the pork. 20-20 or 80-20 I mean. Now we'll get the deer. Now I got 10 pounds of pork, 12 pounds of ground deer. So now I'll get to mixing all this up. And these poor doggies, they're just interested in everything I'm doing. What I do have is the casings that come in the kit. I have them soaking in warm water, which makes it easier to get everything into the casing when we're ready to roll them off. Here we go. We got a little patty taste tester. Patty cake. Anyway, ignore my old man jokes. It's just how I roll. Well, we'll get her on the frying pan. That's how we hear that sound. You see the redness in it? That's just the cure. Let this fry up. Give her a taste test. Well, little taste test. It's perfect. Now, time to roll it off. Oh yeah. Now we got hog ring pliers. Just knock the rings all over the place. Got those set aside. So yeah, the stuffer has already been sanitized. Everything good there. Now so we just stuff her in the casings. Now I always spray her down with some cooking oil. Makes it easier to clean after. So yeah, let's stuff her in. And you always punch her down. Takes the air out. I think this thing is 5 pounds-ish. Each one of the big mahogany casings are 3 pounds of meat. So yeah, I won't even stuff this full because I know. Now I'll go wash my hands again. Now I take one of these mahogany casings, wring it out. I got this tight. You can usually go like that. Now it's one casing. Now you tighten her down. Get your hog. Let me put the hog casing on the pliers. Clipper on there. Hands are slippery. That's it. Nice and tight. 1 3-pound log of cracked pepper and garlic deer summer sausage. Nice. Well, we'll continue rolling these off. And one last small one. That's it. 29 minutes. She's all done. I got 7.5 logs. That easy. So really, that's how easy it is. Rolled them off, no problem. Now they're going to go in the refrigerator overnight. And then tomorrow we'll do the smoking process. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll get this done. Peace. Summer sausage in the oven, just drying it while the smoker's warming up. Just doing this to dry the outside so it takes the smoke better. Yeah, let's get at her. Well, we got the smoker all geared up here. Now we're gonna put these summer sausage on. Make sure they're not touching. I had them in the oven for a little bit to dry out. Whoa, almost dropped them. That would have been shate. So now we're going to got them on the smoker. We're going to put some probes in them and we're going to smoke them at 180 for a while. There we go. We'll put one probe in there. There we go. We're all on. Now to wait the hours to see the finished product. Stay tuned. We'll come back when it's all good to go. Peace. Well, here we are. Just over 4 hours in. Just gonna give her a $155. $150. Well, we'll give her another hour. Well, here we are. 5.5 hours. Just letting them cool quick. With this cold temperatures outside, I'm just doing it with the cold air instead of the ice bath because it's probably colder than the ice bath. I still have one on here that's only hitting 155, so I want to give it a little bit longer. Yeah, so we're getting there, almost done. Well, here it is. And that's how it's done. Peace out.